everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Google search history on PC. So to start, go ahead and open Google Chrome. Now once open, click your profile at the top right. So once you click that, you see nothing in here. So all you can see is add account and sign out and manage your Google account. What we need to do is to go to the search bar and search for google.com. So once done, again, click your profile at the top right. So down here, click search history. And from here, you can click the delete button. So once you click that, here you can delete today, you can custom it, you can delete all time and auto delete. So I'm just gonna delete all time. So click delete all time. And from here, you can customize what you want to delete. Or you can also select all. So just click on this box right here at the top to select everything. So once you click that, what we need to do is to scroll down and click on next. So confirm you would like to delete the following activity. So confirm the action. Make sure you read all of this, you double check. And once done, click on delete and all of it will be deleted instantly. So what you need to do next is to click on got it, refresh the page, and that's basically it. So that's how you can delete Google search history on PC. Thank you for watching.